Did you know that army ant refers to ants that display a behavior and not a specific type of ant? Welcome to today's virtual jungle tour where we found these Essaton army ants in the Ecuadorian cloud forest. Hi, I'm Nancy, a tour guide and an entomologist. Army ants refers to the behavior of ants with a nomadic lifestyle, and this has evolved multiple times independently. There's army ants in Africa and in the Americas. There's two main behaviors, those that swarm and those that make trails. These Essaton ants are those that make trails, which is how I was able to get this video because I just parked myself at a convenient bend in their path. They just follow the chemical trails left by the ants in front of them, and they latch onto, sting, kill, and rip apart anything that gets in their way and moves. And if you're taking their photos, you don't want that to be you. These Essaton ants go through two main stages of behavior. The first is when the colony is on the move, and every night they use their bodies to make a shelter called a bivouac to protect the queen and the larva. But then they're up the next day, moving to a new spot. This lasts about 2 weeks. The other phase is when the queen is laying eggs, and they'll set up camp somewhere and nest in that same spot every night. Again, they'll use their bodies as shelter for the queen and the eggs. This lasts about 3 weeks. These Essaton ants were used by indigenous people as stitches, as the soldiers with their large mandibles that usually hold down their prey will grip onto just about anything. Those large mandibles acted like sutures holding together wounds.